All right. Hi, guys. Welcome to Veracious Oil Camp. Today, we're going to be talking about Melaleuca. Melaleuca, also known as tea tree oil. So this is the oil for first aid. It's a wonderful first aid oil. So cuts, scrapes, bruises. It's like the greatest thing for a disinfectant. When my son Asher, scrapes his knee, it's just like the first oil that I go to. I grew up, using Neosporin, and my mom would just coat like everything in it. And it's synthetic. It's not natural. This is an alternative to the Neosporin. It's a natural form of a disinfectant, and it's antimicrobial, antibacterial. dōTERRA also has something called Correct X, which is like a Neosporin, a more natural Neosporin. So if you're someone who likes the tube and to squirt it and rub it on with some, like a Band-Aid, that's great. But this is just as great, and you can mix it with a little coconut oil, and it just has worked wonders for us. Other ways that I like to use Melaleuca, blemishes. So personally, I haven't had acne in my late 20s and 30s, thank God. But in my teens, I did. And this would be a great one for any teenager, anybody who's struggling with like skin blemishes, acne. And you just, especially with those teenage boys, they just can come out of the shower and put some on, the affected areas, and even mixed with a little bit of carrier oil, and it works wonders. You can also just put it like directly on, you just want to use just a little drop right on the blemish, and it works wonders. Toenail fungus, if you've ever struggled with toenail fungus, athlete's foot, so the rashes, skin irritations, things like that, Melaleuca is amazing. Also wonderful for babies and diaper rashes. So when my little baby had diaper rash, I would just use a little bit of Melaleuca and a little bit of lavender. And remember, you always want to dilute for babies. So even like a tablespoon of coconut oil with 1 drop of Melaleuca, 1 drop of lavender, and just, rub it on that affected area. And just, it's amazing. It works so well. So well. And within hours, there would be nothing there. And I'd just be like, this is the best. Also, dōTERRA makes a touch blend, so it's already pre-made. So there's a whole collection that's the dōTERRA Touch, so you can just use that directly also on the baby. Also for ear discomfort, also aka ear infections, ear discomfort. So you just would rub it along the ear with some fractionated coconut oil. You can also take a cotton ball and put a couple drops of Melaleuca and put it inside the ear and tape it down, and then put the Melaleuca and lavender along the jaw and the back of the ear. You can leave it in overnight, and the ear discomfort is gone. My son had a double ear discomfort like a year ago, and I did both sides, and the next day he was fine. So he hasn't had to go on antibiotics for something like that. He actually has never, knock on wood, gone on antibiotics. And I'll talk about that more in a minute, of how powerful Melaleuca is. Wonderful for coughs, especially mixed with breathe oil. So you can just apply it right on the chest, right? With some breathe oil and some coconut oil for yourself, for little kids, on the bottoms of the feet. So wonderful for coughs. Yeah, and also for burns. So lavender and Melaleuca, wonderful for burns. And for seasonal allergies, I highly recommend something called Tri-Ease, which is lemon, lavender, and peppermint. But if you're really struggling with those seasonal allergies, add the Melaleuca. That will be amazing. And my son, as I've shared before, my son really suffers from seasonal allergies. So we are all about the lemon, lavender, peppermint, and Melaleuca. So I'm going to share my screen with you, as I usually do, and we'll get to learn a little bit more about Melaleuca. All right. So, let's go back to the beginning here. So Melaleuca oil, more commonly known as tea tree, Melaleuca Essential Oil has over 92 different compounds and limitless applications. The leaves of the Melaleuca tree were used by the Aborigines of Australia for centuries. They would crush the leaves and inhale the oil to promote feelings of clear breathing and apply the leaves directly to the skin for a cooling effect. Melaleuca is best known for its purifying properties. It can be used to cleanse and purify the skin and nails and to support a healthy complexion. So Melaleuca, as I shared, renowned for its cleansing, rejuvenating effect on the skin. You can apply it directly to those blemishes and it's just, your skin will just radiate. I love combining frankincense and Melaleuca together. It's a great combo. And promotes the healthy immune function. So it's one of the main oils in the flu balm, that if you're really feeling like you're coming down with something, I highly recommend doing a combination of the frankincense, the lemon, the oregano, the On Guard, and the Melaleuca. So it's the M in flu. And also just, like we talked about before, if you're having like a cough or any rashes, things like that, skin irritations, it's a fabulous oil to put on your skin, and promotes against environmental and seasonal threats. So for those seasonal threats, for those coughing, sneezing, watery eyes, that time of year when the pollen's out, I'd highly recommend using the lemon, lavender, and peppermint, and then adding Melaleuca to that trio. So this is a very interesting research. So what I have learned through my years here is that some parents who have used a lot of antibiotics for their kids for various things, what happens is it kills the good and the bad, right? It kills the good and the bad. And what could happen as a result is that it lowers the child's immunity for combating other threats and bacteria down the line, and would cause perhaps chronic illness as a result of diminishing the natural resistance in the body. So this is a study that compared the hand hygiene antimicrobial results of using Melaleuca versus triclosan. Okay, so what is triclosan? So that is the antibacterial element that is usually found in hand soaps. And what we're finding is that our bodies are really smart, and they can find ways to go around the triclosan and the antibiotics, and they're building up a resistance because of the synthetic nature of these aspects in that we're given in the hand soap and stuff like that. So actually the FDA has now eliminated triclosan from our hand soaps, which in a way is a good thing, but at the same time we don't have that natural antibacterial element. So that's really what Melaleuca is for. And there was the results in the study that there was no difference of performance between the Melaleuca and the soap with the antibacterial, the triclosan, the synthetic antibacterial agent in it. So that is really wonderful to know that you can just use like 1 drop of Melaleuca in your hand and rub your hands together, and you're creating that same resistance, right? That same resistance that's going to build your body. Here we go. Stop share. So, as I said before, the FDA had removed them from our hand soaps. So we are back to soap without antibacterial boost. So dōTERRA has a natural foaming hand wash that is wonderful. It's called the On Guard foaming hand wash. And we use that in my family, and I have it like in I only have 2 bathrooms, so I have it in both bathrooms. And also you can use lemon, On Guard, Melaleuca, just 1 drop on the hands if you're on the go. And it has that wonderful like disinfecting properties that we're looking for. And it's building it's building up that body's resistance. And so what sets essential oils apart from something like triclosan, which is synthetically produced, is that because every batch of essential oil is different in chemical compounds. The bacteria cannot develop a resistance to the oil because it is ever changing. And that's the beauty of nature, is that it's always changing and you're not going to get the same batch every time. So the bacteria can't just adjust to it like it would with the triclosan. And so I just love the brilliance of nature. And that's really what Melaleuca is. It's that power in a bottle, and the bacteria can't develop a resistance to it, and it's ever changing. It's one of my favorite oils. It's not necessarily one I would diffuse. The smell can be intense, but it is so good for your skin, so good for the rashes. And another thing about rashes, it's your body's telling you something, like your body's not happy. And it's usually that's a sign of some sort of toxicity in the liver or the kidneys. So I highly recommend, if you are someone who's struggling with rashes, or you know somebody, that they do a cleanse. And the kids can do a cleanse with the dōTERRA supplements for kids and the probiotics, but we have the 30-day cleanse for adults that really targets the liver and the kidneys and all that stuff in the body that will help purify your inside, that will reflect on your outside. So my friends, enjoy that Melaleuca, have fun with it, and I'll be back tomorrow for frankincense. So thanks for watching.